everyone, and welcome back to the Breakdown How-To. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to slow down clips in Adobe Premiere Pro. But before we get into the video, I want to remind you to like it and subscribe to the channel for more awesome Premiere tutorials every single week. Also, be sure to check out Bluehost. Go to thebreakdown.xyz/Bluehost. First link down below to get an awesome website set up for just $3.95 a month. We personally use them for all of our websites. I promise you will not regret it. Again, that is the breakdown.xyz/Bluehost. First link down below. But how do you slow down clips in Adobe Premiere Pro? Well, it's actually pretty simple. Once you've got, your clip in your timeline here where you want it to go, just right click on it, and then go to speed and duration, which is right there, and then click on it. Now you want to slow it down. Let's say we want to make it half as fast. That would be 50%. It's going to take the clip from 18 seconds to 36 seconds. Doubles it. Go ahead, click on that, and now our clip is in extreme slow motion. Boom. Easy as that. Now, it's obviously a lot slower there. If we want to take and watch the original, we can do that as well. Just got to cut it real quick. Give me a second. There we go. We can see the original is right here, and the sped up version is right there. So if we were to take these and play the slowed down version, as you can see, it looks a little weird, a car driving in slow motion, but it's moving. And then the normal version here, if we speed up to that same part, the car driving through the gate, it's a bit faster there. That's pretty much it. That's how you slow down a video. You can change the amount you slow it down by just going back to speed and duration here. Let's say you didn't want to do 50%. Say you wanted to slow it down even more. You could do 10%. Right? That makes that 16-second clip or 18-second clip 2 minutes long. I mean, look at how slow that's moving. It's framey at that point. The higher FPS you shoot in, by the way, the better slow motion you're going to get. Otherwise, you end up with something like this, which is just kind of framey. Typically, if you're shooting in 60 FPS, you shouldn't have any problems with that 50% reduction there, because that is taking it down to 30 FPS, which is still very, very watchable. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And again, subscribe to the channel. We're a new channel here, growing it every single day, so be sure to give it a like, subscribe to the channel, all of that awesome stuff, and check out some more of our Adobe Premiere tutorials, which should be on your screen right now. I'm Nick. This has been the Breakdown How To, and I will see you guys next time.